लोग कहते हैं हम पत्थर काटते हैं, हम जानते हैं हम जिंदगी तराशते हैं। हर एक कट भरोसे की नींव बनाता है, लेजर टेप की सटीकता जो सपनों को आकार देती है।
Presenting the LaserTech cutter range. LHD 4SA 1500 watts, 4 and 5 inch capacity cutter machine, interchangeable with popular models. LHD 4SB 1600 watts, water and dust resistant with double screw bearing housing for extra stability. LHD 5SB 1680 watts, 45-degree tilting base plate, perfect for bevel cutting jobs. LHD 5ST 1680 watts, a robust design built for smooth and accurate cutting. LHD 6ST 1800 watts, a powerful 6-inch cutter made for bigger and more versatile job requirements. LHD 7CS 1800 watts, a powerful 7-inch circular saw with a broad cutting base for balance and stability. LaserTech, where power meets purpose.